an AI agent that answers your customer queries and can trigger actions outside the chat when needed. With YourGPT's Zapier integration, connect your agent to the apps and tools you already use. That opens the door to over 5,000 apps: Notion, Gmail, Shopify, Microsoft Teams, MailChimp, Zoho CRM, and thousands more. And the connection works both ways. Any app can send a message to your agent, and your agent can trigger actions right back, all on its own. Best of all, there's no code and no engineers. Just pick a trigger, choose an app, and connect the action. Your agent goes live in minutes. Watch it work. A customer email comes in, your agent reads it, understands what they need, and drafts the perfect reply completely on its own. And one message is all it takes to set everything off. Your CRM updates, your sheet fills, and the right people get notified, all automatically. YourGPT plus Zapier, an agent that answers your customers and acts across every tool you use.